Hello, this is a quick video just going over how you can create a legend or a key for your graphs in Matplotlib. This is going to be a very simple explanation. There's a lot of customization you can do with the legend feature, but this is just for simple graphs such as the one we created during the line graph tutorial. And as you can see, there's no labels on the graph. So in order to define a label, you just have to go into the plot command here, and you're going to just type label equals, and then we're going to pass in our string here. So we're going to say Jim's fans as that label, and then for this other label we're going to use Ben's fans. Okay, and then in order for those labels to appear in a legend, we're going to have to do plot.legend. Okay, and don't pass anything into the arguments. The legend itself is essentially a subplot that is plotted onto your graph. So if we close that and run our line graph again, you can see now that we've got our legend here in a box with our appropriate lines attributed to the correct labels. Now, it's not just restricted to line graphs. You can do them on all types of Matplotlib graphs. So I'm going to show you how a legend works with a pie chart graph. So we already had our labels defined, so all we have to do is do plot.legend and pass those arguments in. No arguments in, and remember that you need to pass this. You need to have this statement before your savefig and your show, because again it's a subplot, so it won't show up on your save file if you call this after the savefig command. So if we run this now, run pie chart. You can see that we've got labels here because I didn't turn off the labels on the pie chart, but you've also got the legend here for the pie chart itself. So if we so that's how you make a legend with Matplotlib.